मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट स्किल आपन पे कोन? And please don't try to make us happy by writing communication skill. Write something which is actually you want. Capabilities which will give you, see, it's all about frequency and vibration. But a skill that will give you confidence. Which skill is that? For example, in my case, I can say that if I can be emotionally intelligent, that is that one skill that I want to learn, I want to put all my focus into. If I can be emotionally intelligent, I think that will give me a lot of confidence in life. So that is my skill to learn. What about you? Next, beliefs. The hardest thing to change, but one of the most powerful things to change about your life is your belief system. कौन गोटे पिला दिनु आपण भाबी आछंती किबा करू आछंती जोडारे कि आपण जानिचंती कि इट इज नॉट एक्जेक्टली न्यूट्रल माइंडसेट, इट इज बायस्ड माइंडसेट. व्हाट विल यू चेंज टू बिकम न्यूट्रल? चेष्टा करंतु लिखिया पे. फॉर एग्जांपल गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज ऑलवेज मोर सिक्योर देन प्राइवेट जॉब. दैट्स अ बिलीफ सिस्टम. Someone somewhere might have given you some feedback to be better, to change something about your belief system, right, Kiran? So what is that belief system you want to change? Don't write too much, write simple. दिल से पूछो, दिल आवाज दे देगा.